to DIY Dreams, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw the easiest eyeball, and it's super fun, super easy, and so I hope you like it. If you do, make sure to subscribe down below. We're gonna try and get 100 subscribers by my birthday, that's February, and if you guys can make it, I have a super fun surprise for you guys. Okay, now without further ado, let's get into the drawings. So if you guys are following along at home, you're going to need any type of sketch pad. Here's the one that I'm going to be using, and just a pencil with an eraser, just in very simple things that you'd have at your house. I tried to make the supplies not that much, so you won't need like a blending brush or anything like that. All the things that we're needing are stuff that you can find at your house. So to start off, you're just going to draw the final shape of your eye. I'm not going to try and make this one too big. Just a little mountain, okay? I like to call it a mountain because it's kind of cute. So just a mountain. And then you're going to take your mountain and then you're going to join it at the bottom, okay? I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. So you have the mountain on top and then just the joint piece on the bottom. So like that. So mountain on top, joint piece on the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. And then you're going to take your pencil and draw a circle inside. I took the shape and I drew a circle inside. Super simple. Okay? And then you're going to take your pencil, and on each side you're going to draw one of those. So I guess it's like a triangle in a way. So you should have a shape that looks something like this. Okay? Now we got to do a bit of blending. So when you're blending, I recommend holding your hand at almost an angle where the pencil will meet your paper, but you're able to glide your hand across the page so that the streaks or your pencil marks come out smoothly. Now, of course, if you do have a little bit of a rough pencil, you can always smudge it with your finger to make it extra blend and blurred, but I wouldn't recommend doing that quite yet because we're going to do that at the end. Plus you get a dirty finger, so yeah. Okay, so we're just going to take the pencil and blend the entire top of our eye. So take the pencil and blend the top. Okay? Like this. Okay? Now, I might just blend it a little bit more.
A few moments later.
By now, you should have blended at the top. Okay, now you're going to take your pencil, you're going to draw a circle inside the eye. Now it's not going to be perfectly in the middle, okay? I'll show you in a sec. And another circle beside it. Okay? I'll show you. It should look something like this. Okay? So 2 circles. And you're going to take your pencil and you're going to blend out the smaller circle. Okay, so it should look something like this. It's starting to come together. And then you're going to take your pencil, and just like we blended the top, we're going to blend the bottom of the eye. I'll show you guys. So we're gonna blend this part of the eye, the bottom part, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I love drawing. It's very relaxing for me. I love art, anything to do with that. We're also going to blend out the circle, the big circle that we created for the entire eye. We're gonna blend that out. Okay, now with our pencil, using very small strokes, we're going to color in right here, okay? Now, to give this an ombre effect, as we go, we're going to lighten up our strokes so that it goes from from dark all the way to light, probably around here, and then probably back into dark here, into light. I'll show you guys. Making sure when you're coloring it in to always go in the same direction. Up, down, okay? If you go in a different direction, it's not going to look as good. It's not going to look like your eye. Okay, you should have something that looks like this. Now, if you went all in the same direction around the eye, you should have a beautifully shaded eye, and it's super easy to do that. It might take a little bit of time to master that skill, just going in the same direction, but I think it does a really good job of doing an eye really quickly. Now we're going to take our pencil and we're just going to blend in both of the small triangles, okay? I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. It should look something like this. So now both of the triangles on the front of the eye and the back of the eye are blended in. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, now we're going to take our pencil and just lightly blend in at the front of the eye and back, okay? Okay, now that we've blended everything in, take a good look to make sure that your blending looks a little bit like mine. Make sure it looks somewhat like mine. And then, oh no! Dropped our pencil. We're going to take our pencil and just finely do eyelashes. So when you're doing eyelashes, you always go in the same direction. So for us, you're going to take your pencil, starting about the highest point of your eye, and just curve around, okay? You see how I did that? It almost looks like it has one little hair at the top. Just a fine stroke up. And we're just going to do a lot of those. Okay, it should look something like this. And now we're going to take our pencil and just gently do the same thing in the opposite direction on the bottom of the eye. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. So at the lowest part of the eye, just a small little lash. Can you see that? A small little lash. We're going to do many of those in the same direction throughout the whole bottom of the eye. And this is what the final eye should look like. Very cute, lovely, and it's super simple, guys. Like this eye, this beautiful eye, this masterpiece right here, literally took us like 10 minutes to do. And so literally you guys could do an entire notebook of these in like an hour. Probably not, don't try that, but I mean you could. But yeah, it's super simple, guys, and so I definitely recommend trying it if you weren't following along with the tutorial. Hopefully this was a little bit therapeutic for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. I'm going to disappear in a few seconds, so ooh, that video looks really good. I think you should click on it. Bye!